Hello, my fellow gamers, and welcome to the 2nd Armored Gaming Division. It is I, Captain Mustang, and welcome to World of Warships. And we're going to take a different route today from the Wyoming as I continue its barrage of unrelenting power to get to the next tier ship. We recently celebrated the 17th anniversary of Wargaiming, and as a treat, they gave us USS Albany. So this is given to you as a premium ship. Nothing else to do to it, I don't think. Let me check. Yeah, the only thing is one module, and that's either main battery or secondary battery. In which case, I don't think you have much of a secondary battery on this ship. Oh, yeah, I guess you do. Those little tiny things right there. One gun. That's your secondary battery, I think. But not knocking this ship up. Nope, two. I think you see it there. Okay, three. Three guns are your secondary battery. Not knocking this ship at all. It is a gorgeous looking ship. I can't wait to take it out. And then we'll do some further explaining on some cool stuff that's coming on. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, it's such a small ship. Oh, I'm not used to this. Oh man. Alright, so it's been a while since I've played with cruisers, so everyone's gonna have to forgive me if I don't really remember how to play with them. But, I remember, cruiser's gonna be loaded with, high explosive. I'm gonna lock the guns over to one side, and let's see what happens. Okay, so, today Wargaming put out a bulletin for, people getting access into the public testing server for update 0.4.1. We'll just say that. And there's going to be a lot of cool stuff. Now, the thing is the bulletin's headliner was a Kriegsmarine ship, which means I don't know if they're indicating saying, hey, we're going to actually have German ships in this public server where you guys are going to be able to go in and test it. I'm not sure. I'm signed up for it. I don't know if I have access into it yet, but if I do, you can be... Oh, Jesus! Oh, wow! He spotted him all the way out there. Look at him. By the way, the range on this ship is like 6 point something. It's not... It has a horrible range. And I remember I've seen plenty of videos to know... Stay away. Is that my fellow Albany? Yeah, there's two Albanys on this team right now. Alright, we're finally getting into range, it looks like. Not yet. 6.6.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
What? No, 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 no! Oh, Jesus!
We're flooding quickly.
Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh god, that's not how I wanted to start this off. Oh, Mustang, you idiot! You drove right into it. I had no choice. There's nothing I could have done. I mean, I guess maybe I could have tried to throw it in reverse. Ah, Chester! Let's go get him. He can't shoot things at us, right? Come on. Come on. Nope. I don't care. I got some shots out. I got some shots out. Oh. Oh, wow. I snapped in half and the game couldn't even process it. Alright. Here we go. We're going to try this again. You fuckers! Oh. Oh, now we're stuck like this. Goodbye, South Carolina! I feel a death montage in my near future.
General quarters.
Alright. This is battle number 3. USS Albany. Ow. 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 Really? No. This thing's engines get wiped out so easily. It's absolutely atrocious. Oh, good, we got some hits. Like, how did that even take out our engines? Isn't our engines, like, in the back there, underneath the rear gun? No, he lands some hits right there in the middle. Oh, see? There's an Albany right there. We'll find out. No. This might have been a mistake. I regret this decision. I regret this decision so much right now. I am so sorry. Immobilized again. All of our turrets are knocked out. Everything's broken on this. Now we're on fire. Good, good, good. Guns can't aim worth a damn.
Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir.
I was... Oh my god, I was just on fire. Oh, please? Oh my god, why?